Hi guys, welcome to Wire Network. In this tutorial I will show you how to configure multi-WAN failover load balancing on Mikrotik router. To setting up simple failover and load balancing with multiple WAN connections on a Mikrotik router involves a few key steps. Here's a general guide to help you achieve this. First, access Mikrotik router via winbox or webfig. After that, we will assign the interface names as WAN 1 and WAN 2. After this, we will configure the WAN addresses on the Mikrotik router. Next, go to IP and then click on Addresses. Click on the plus button to add a new IP address. Next, enter the WAN IP address of your primary internet. Select your WAN 1 interface. Next, configure secondary WAN interface. Next, go to IP then click on Route. Click on the plus button to add a new route. Next, enter your primary internet gateway address. Next, click Check Gateway then select Ping. Select the distance field and input a distance of 1. Next, configure secondary internet gateway. Next, click Check Gateway then select Ping. Next, configure distance as 2. Next, I will play multiple YouTube videos to increase the internet traffic. You can see that our all traffic goes through ISP1 interface. Next, I am now disabling the primary WAN interface. If the primary gateway experiences a failure, the secondary gateway will enable automatic. You can see that internet traffic switch from the WAN 1 to WAN 2.